got here? So excited. There it is. There it is. Can y'all see that real well? Let me bring it in close. Oh, heavy. All right, there she is. Give you a close look right there. All right. I like the nice sturdy outside box. I have accidentally ripped these boxes on the NVIDIA 1070 and 1070 Ti's because they weren't sturdy on the outside. So when I tried to put all the contents back in, then the outer box, which was thin cardboard, just ripped. Wow, this is in tight. Okay. All right. Oh, sticker. You know, it's always a problem when you have to be smarter than the box, right? And they keep making these boxes smarter every single year. That made life easy. Boom, boom, ba-dum. Welcome to the red team. .4x gaming, 16 gigabyte memory, PCI 4 ready. Oh, that's nice. And then they have all the... What's this? It's a standard thing, but what is this? It's like a... This is like I lost a key off my keyboard. Huh. I'm curious. Does it fit on the card somewhere, or is that just a cute little accessory? All right. Here it is. Hefty. It's got 3 fans, which has got to be great for cooling, instead of like 1 or 2 fan models. Very solid. Nice radiator grill here up on the top. And, okay. And then right here you can see that, right here you can see that it takes 2 8-pin connectors for the PCI. And then we've got one HDMI, 2 DisplayPort, and that one, I think, all right. Well, there you go. It looks really nice. I can't wait to put it in my rig, and so that's what we're going to be working on here. So I'm going to have a future video showing me putting it in my rig, but before that I'm also going to do a quick video on me kind of getting the dust out of my old rig, getting it all nice and sharp and prepared and ready for use with the new video card. So I hope you like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, share this video. This is a simple, quick unpacking video for the RX 6800 XT, but some more follow-ups coming up. Follow the saga here at CryptoMind, and I'll get you new videos coming out really soon with how it's all working. I can't wait. I hope you can either. So, peace out.